In this tutorial I will show you how to crochet a very simple summer top. You will need 2 skeins medium yarn. I used Alize cotton gold and 3.5 mm crochet hook. I used 2 colors, but you can use 1 color if you want. I will start with front part, first triangle, row 1, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double crochet in first chain from hook, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Double crochet in next stitch, and make 2 double crochet in last stitch. One and 2. Row 2. Chain 3. This counts as first double crochet. Turn. Double crochet in same space where you made chain 3. Double crochet in each double crochet until you reach last double crochet. And make 2 double crochet in last stitch. Last double crochet is made in top of chain 3 from previous row. From row 3 to row 18, repeat row 2. Double crochet in same stitch. Double crochet in next stitches until you reach last stitch, and make 2 double crochet in last stitch. After completing first triangle, cut the yarn. Make second triangle exactly the same way, but do not cut the yarn at the end. Row 19, chain 3 and turn. Double crochet in same space where you made chain 3. This will be increase in this row. And double crochet in each double crochet. Last double crochet is made in top of chain 3 from previous row. Continue to double crochet on other triangle. Double crochet in each double crochet until you reach last double crochet. Make 2 double crochet in last double crochet. 1 and 2. Chain 3 and turn. Double crochet in same space where you made chain 3 and double crochet in each double crochet until you reach last double crochet. And make 2 double crochet in last double crochet. Row 21, chain 3, turn and double crochet in each double crochet. Don't make increases in this row. Not in same space but in next space. From row 22 to row 45, repeat rows 20 and 21. It means make increases in one row and don't make increases in second row. Make back part exactly the same way and place sides together. Place stitch markers on the 18th row from the top. Place markers on front part and back part. And sew sides together until you reach the stitch markers. I will sew sides together with slip stitches, but you can use yarn needle if you want. When you reach stitch markers, fasten off and hide the yarn. Repeat same actions on the other side. Sew straps together using leftover yarn. Hide all the unnecessary ends.